lessening. Had risen, would show. Would rise, will show.
B, ma'am.
Has risen, shows.
A. Had risen, would.
Huh?
Ma'am.
The use of preservatives in food manufacturing has risen steadily and shows no signs. So, option C is correct. Has risen steadily over the past few decades and shows no signs of abating. Has risen and shows. Has risen, shows. इसमें देखें. So here you have a literature question also. But he is locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. The given lines have been taken from the poem How to Tell Wild Animals, Tiger in the Zoo, Animals, The Tale of Custer the Dragon. Which poem? But he is locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors.
Tiger
Which
in the
poem?
zoo.
Huh?
Ma'am, tiger in the zoo.
Yes, tiger in the zoo. Huh? Tiger in the zoo, stalking. The tiger is just walking in the cage and he is ignoring the visitors. Tiger is not interested in the visitors. The visitors are looking at him, but he is not interested. Why is he locked in the concrete cell? For the safety of humans, for the safety of other animals, for the entertainment of humans, all of these.
All of these, ma'am.
All of these.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of these. All of these. But here if you see,
For the entertainment of humans.
the poet is against the caging of animals. He's against the caging of animals. He says that animals shouldn't be caged. So I think the answer should be B. If the tiger kills, it is only because to feed himself. For the entertainment of humans. What do the given lines tell us about his mood? He is angry, he is hopeful, he is excited, he is worried.
He is angry.
Ma'am, angry.
Angry, क्योंकि आगे line में है भी quiet rage. If you see the following lines of the poem, there is a word mentioned, quiet rage. So quiet anger. So the mood of the tiger is angry. Of course, he is helpless, but he is angry. Hopeful, he is not hopeful. He is not excited, and he is not worried. He is angry. Okay, yes. Option A. What does strength behind bars signify? His lack of freedom, his useless ferociousness.
Ma'am, lack of freedom.
Meaning of ferious.
Ma'am, lack of
domestic
freedom.
needs. Lack of freedom.
Ma'am, lack of freedom.
Lack of freedom, yes. Strength behind the bars. Lack of freedom.
What is the meaning of word used in option C?
In option C, ferocious. Ferocious means very dangerous. Khunkar. Ferocious. Dangerous. So the answer is lack of freedom. By ignoring visitors, what is the poet trying to say? Tiger knows that he is powerful. Tiger considers human as devoid of all feelings. Tiger is not losing any hope. Tiger hates humankind. Why is the tiger ignoring the visitors? Tiger knows that he is powerful. Tiger is not losing any hope. Tiger is not losing any hope. Tiger considers humans as devoid of all feelings. Devoid means without. The tiger considers human beings without any feelings.
Ma'am, option C.
Or the tiger hates the humankind. What is the
Ma'am,
correct
option
answer?
C.
Yes, option C considers human as devoid of all feelings.
मैम ऑफलाइन प्री बोर्ड कब से होने वाला है?
क्या?
ऑफलाइन प्री बोर्ड
Offline pre-board after your school reopens, you may get the schedule.
8th January.
We haven't yet got the timetable, but we have prepared the questions.
Ma'am, 8 January.
The questions have already been
जनवरी से
submitted.
रोनी
Yes.
January.
Ma'am,
Most
8th
probably,
January.
I think 10 तक date निकल जाएगा. Or maybe in the holidays itself, you get the schedule and routine. So usually every year it is held after the winter holidays. After the end of winter holidays, every year the pre-board is held. So maybe this year also. 5th, your school will reopen. After that, any day you can have it. Okay. So be prepared accordingly. Of course, in online exams, most of you get good marks, but there you have so much of scope of using the unfair means. I don't know what percentage of students take the exam honestly, of course. But of course, it is very tempting with when you have all the freedom. So I don't know. Okay, an elephant dash other animals in intelligence. Excelled, excelled, has excelled. Excels, excelled, has excelled. What will be the
Excels.
correct answer?
मैम बी
Excel. B होगा, हाँ, singular subject है. Singular subject. So in singular subject, you have to have the verb with S. Singular subject, you should use the verb with S. In subject verb agreement. Of course, I and you are exceptions. I और you के साथ हमेशा ही plural verb लगता है, लेकिन बाकी जो है वो so excels other animals in intelligence. Whenever it is dash with any difficulty, dash awake. Whenever it is dash with any difficulty, it
फेसिंग
दो वर्ड शायद कट गया है. इट होगा, इट. Whenever it whenever it is dash with any difficulty. Oh, यह तो है. It is whenever it is faced, faces, facing.
Facing.
And whenever it is
Facing. D.
facing. Whenever it is faced. नहीं, faces कैसे? Whenever it is faces. सुनने में ठीक लग रहा है. Whenever it is faced with any difficulty.
मैम facing बोले facing.
नहीं, it is facing नहीं होगा. It is faced. Whenever it is faced with any difficulty. वहां डिफिकल्टी और इट वर्ड छूट गया है. इट डैश अवे आउट. इट हैज फाउंड, इट फाइंड्स, इट विल फाइंड, इट हैड फाउंड. इट वर्ड छूट गया, वहां इट लगा लो शुरू में. इट डैश अवे आउट. Whenever it is faced with any difficulty, it dash away out. It has found, it finds, it will find.
It finds.
It finds, yes. The passage is in simple present tense. Passage अगर देखें तो simple present tense में है. वो एक general fact. It is telling us about a general fact which will remain true for all times. So simple present tense. Whenever it is faced with any difficulty, it finds a way out. Okay. So this one is clear. Yeah, so I decided to try something different with my hair. This is a conversation between brother and sister. So I decided to try something different with my hair. Well, all I can say is mission accomplished. Write back to Sara Classic tomorrow. So when Samira came back from the bar, her brother dashed for her. Her brother has been waiting, was waiting, has waited, had waited. Her brother was waiting for her. So when you get these kind of cartoon questions, means you have to use the rules of direct indirect. और आधा से ज्यादा तो बनाया हुआ ही रहता, कुछ पार्ट बस you have to fill it up. When Samira came back from the hair salon, her brother was waiting for her. He was shocked to see his sister. As you can see, it's saying bah, bah. So she told him that she decided to try something new with her hair. This is already done. She decided to try something new with her hair. He was speechless, but could only tell her that her mission was accomplished. And a second later, he dashed. उसके बाद क्या कहता है? Mission was accomplished. Not clear. So, this is not clear.
Told.
So this is one long type of question. What characteristic does one need to become a scientist? Does it simply involve reading many books on the subject? Long type concepts. She was not convinced. No, she replied, there is nothing more humiliating than have a shabby air in the midst of rich women. Then her husband cried out, how stupid we are. Go find your friend, Madame Forestier, and ask her to lend you her jewels. She uttered a cry of joy. It is true, she said. I had not thought of that. The given lines are taken from the story titled Bholi Madam Rides the Bus Necklace Triumph of Surgery. इसमें तो चैप्टर का नाम ऊपर दिया हुआ है.
The necklace.
This is the dialogue when the wife is very unhappy. The clerk, Mr. Loisel, he purchases a dress for his wife. But again, she is unhappy because she does not have any jewels to wear for the minister's party. She does not have any jewels to wear for the minister's party. And then the husband says that, why don't you go and borrow some jewels from your rich friend, Madame Forestier? So that is she uttered a cry of joy. It is true, she said. I had not thought of that. तो वाइफ को भी ये आइडिया पसंद आया. फर्स्ट ही टोल्ड हर व्हाई डोंट यू वेयर सम नेचुरल फ्लावर्स, बट दैट आइडिया डिड नॉट कन्विंस हर. Her husband said that, why don't you wear some natural flowers as jewels? But that idea she did not like. And then he said that, why don't you borrow some jewels from your friend? And that was the turning point of her life. She borrowed the jewels, and unfortunately, she lost the jewels. She lost the necklace, diamond necklace, and she purchased another diamond necklace and returned back to her friend. But she had to work for 10 years to repay the loan. And in the end, she came to know that it was not a diamond necklace. So that was the tragedy of her life. She purchased a diamond necklace for her wife, and 10 years of her life was wasted. But later on, she came to know that it was not a diamond necklace. She uttered a cry of joy. It is true, she said. I had not thought of that. The given lines are taken from the story title. Ye to ho gaya. Why did she need the jewels? To go to the party of rich people, to get a replica made for a photo shoot, for wearing them at home. Come on, answer. फोटो शूट में जाना था, उस वैसा ही रेप्लिका बनाना था, दूसरा ज्वेल्स बनाना था, for wearing them at home, घर में पहनना था, to go at party. What is the correct answer? Reply.
To go at a party.
To go to a party of rich people. So minister is not mentioned, rich people is mentioned. So it's natural at the minister's party, many rich people will only come. Minister's party will be attended by most of the rich people. So what made Madame Loisel cry out in joy? Her husband's suggestion, the thought of looking good, her husband's permission, her husband's promotion. Suggestion, her husband's permission, her husband's promotion, the thought of looking good.
Bambi.
What made her cry in joy? Answer.
Ma'am, D.
A. Her husband's suggestion. ये आइडिया तो दिमाग में आया ही नहीं था. Madame Forestier was a very good friend. Madame Forestier was a good friend of Matilda Loisel. And Matilda knew that her friend would certainly help her. She would give her the jewels. That is why she was very happy. What does her husband suggest her? That she does not wear any jewelry, that she should go out and buy a piece of beautiful jewelry, she
मैम
should
डी
wear what she has. ये तो बहुत स्ट्रेट
डी
फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन है, बहुत स्ट्रेट
डी मैम
फॉरवर्ड है. She should borrow jewels from her rich friend. Very straightforward. Okay. So, and in all the extract based question, one question will be based on vocabulary. Vocabulary वाला question भी you have to see very careful. कभी antonym पूछता है, कभी synonym. ये नहीं कि हमेशा synonym ही पूछता है. Sometimes the question is which word does not mean this word. So you have to be very careful. You read the question and find out what the question is asking, synonym or antonym. Shabby air means stingy air, poor surrounding. Stingy air, stingy मतलब कंजूस होता है, तो stingy air तो हो नहीं सकता है. Stingy means person who does not spend money. Stingy, miser, कंजूस. So stingy air, you cannot have poor air, you cannot have poor surrounding, none of these. Shabby air.
none of these
C. A shabby air means poor surroundings, dirty surroundings. So poor surroundings, you can say shabby air. Air means surroundings. Air means surroundings or environment. No, I am Matilda Weissel. Her friend uttered a cry of astonishment. Oh, my poor Matilda, how you have changed. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you, and some miserable ones. And some miserable ones because of you. So this is the climax of the story. When she meets her friend after 10 years, necklace उसने दे दिया अपने दोस्त को, and 10 years it took for her and her husband to repay the outstanding amount of money, 1800,000 francs. So, but after 10 years again, she gets a chance to meet her friend. And this is the climax where she comes to know from her friend that it is a
Jewelry.
imitation jewelry. So, no, our 10 साल में Matilda was a very pretty and beautiful lady. But what happened? The 10 tough years of her life made her age very quickly. And her appearance was so changed that her friend was not able to recognize her. जब मैडम फॉरेस्टियर ने मैटिल्डा को पार्क में देखा, मैटिल्डा ने मैडम फॉरेस्टियर को पहचान लिया. But Matilda had become so different. 10 years of tough life had completely changed her appearance. So she wasn't able to recognize her. Oh, my poor Matilda. Matilda को वो पहचान भी नहीं पाई. So this is the climax of the story where Matilda comes to know the truth that the necklace was an imitation. Who does her friend refer to? The rich lady she met at the party, Madame Jean Forestier, her childhood friend named Jean, her maid. Full name was Jean Forestier. So option B is the correct answer. It is mentioned in the story that her name is Jean. Madame Jean Forestier. Why was Matilda's friend shocked? On seeing Matilda working as a maid, on seeing Matilda's rough looks, working as a maid, on seeing Matilda's rough looks, On seeing Matilda working as a maid, on seeing the change in Matilda, all of the above, on seeing Matilda's rough looks. Which is the correct one? Think and say. What is the time? Hello?
Ma'am, 11:41.
चलो ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. क्या होगा इसमें? Why was Matilda's friend shocked? On seeing Matilda working as a maid, on seeing the change in Matilda, on seeing Matilda's rough looks, all of the above.
All of
All of the above.
all of the above.
All of the above होगा. Rough looks, working as a maid, change in Matilda, yes. Why did Matilda say that her friend is responsible for the hard days? तो डायलॉग में वो बोल रही है ना यहाँ. Because of you. If you see the last line, what is it? Yes, I have had some hard days and that is because of you. ये line. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw because of you. बोलती है ना तो why does she say because of you? Because they had to take loans to return the necklace, because her husband lost his job, because her husband was replaced by Madame Forestiers, because she made them work without pay. Which one? Her husband lost his job तो कोई स्टोरी में नहीं दिया हुआ है कि husband lost the job. Her husband was replaced by Madame Forestier's husband. ऐसा भी नहीं दिया हुआ है. She made them work without pay. It's not mentioned. So option A is the correct one. Because they had to take loans to return the necklace. Because they had to take loans to return the necklace. Why did Matilda have some hard days? Because she and her husband had to pay back the loan. Because the husband had lost, pay back the loan है, LOAN थोड़ा कट गया है. Because her husband lost his job, because she and her husband did menial jobs, because Madame Forestier made them work. Come on, answer. Hello? Which one? Option C, I think. She and her husband did menial jobs. Husband also had to do extra work, copying manuscripts, seeing the accounts. And Matilda also had to do all the dirty work of the kitchen. So menial jobs, you can say. She and her husband did menial jobs. Today on the Snap homework, I will send you one complete sample paper. And all of you solve it. And you can send the answers in the assignment. जैसे प्री बोर्ड में असाइनमेंट में आंसर सेंड किया तो वैसे तुम लोग सॉल्व करके ये कर सकते हो, भेज सकते हो. So today I will send one complete sample paper as homework and you can solve it. Okay. I'm ending the class now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything that you want me to teach again? You can say grammar का कोई topic या poem तो फिर से उसको revise करा देंगे या writing में. मैसेज करके बता देना तुम लोग, कुछ भी अगर रिपीट करना हो तो फिर से. Because everything has been covered, that is why I'm doing the revision. If you want anything to be repeated, then you can inform me. Okay. Okay, I'm ending the class.
Bye, ma'am.